Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. This recipe is made with one of my favorite vegetables, which is beetroot. Now I love it not only for the color but also for the taste, and today I'm going to share these wonderful beetroot paneer kebabs. Now let me tell you, it is so incredibly delicious. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Next, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, next, add 1 onion finely chopped, 2 large cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 large green chillies thinly sliced, once the onions are transparent, keep the flame on low. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything. So while doing this, make sure the flame is on low. You don't want to burn the spice powders. Next, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized beetroot that's been grated. So we're going to cook the beetroot along with the onions. Saute the beetroot for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Continue to cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. The beetroot will be cooked about 90% at this point. Now turn off and cool the mixture completely. So you can just transfer it to another bowl to cool it off completely. Now I'm going to grate 4 small sized potatoes into the mixture. So these are boiled potatoes. So you can either take 4 small potatoes or 2 large ones. Next, I'm going to grate 100 grams of fresh paneer. Next, add a few chopped mint leaves, a few chopped coriander leaves, add a few chopped cashew nuts, 1½ to 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Next, add 3 teaspoons of corn flour. Mix everything together. It's easier to mix with your hands, so make sure everything is well combined. I've just taken a little oil to grease my palms, so it will be easy to roll out the kebabs. Take a little bit of the beetroot kebab mixture, roll it in your palms, flatten it and keep it aside. You can make desired shapes or size. Next, I'm going to shallow fry the beetroot kebabs. For this, take a pan, add a little oil. Once the pan is nice and hot, keep the flame on medium and gently place the beetroot kebabs onto the pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side and flip it over. You can see it's got a lovely golden color to it. Shallow fry the beetroot kebabs till they're a nice golden color on both sides. Remove from the pan and serve it nice and hot. The beetroot paneer kebabs look absolutely incredible. Now I have topped it with a little mayonnaise and a sprig of mint. You can serve it with some nice mint chutney or tomato ketchup by the side. So there you go, here are these incredibly delicious Beetroot Paneer Kebabs. Now they make for a perfect starter for dinners, for get-togethers or even for parties. Make sure you serve it nice and hot and enjoy it with your family and friends.